Hey guys, it's Chantel. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. I missed you guys so much. Oh my gosh, I feel like I haven't made a video in forever, even though I made one Sunday. But so let me get into it. So I went to my local restaurant that I haven't gone to in a long time. I got hash browns, toast, beans, and with a little lettuce on top, and then also have a Pepsi. That's okay. Anyways, you guys, I'm gonna start eating because I'm hungry. And oh my gosh, I did my hair, you guys, and it took longer than I thought. So I was just like, I couldn't even do videos. Because I was already trying to do errands and laundry and all that stuff in between. And so I was like, so I ended up doing just like grabbing food, but I couldn't film. And then on Wednesday, it was National French Fry Day. And I wanted to do like, I was just gonna do a short, but I went to Winter Schnitzel to get fries and they were like popping hot fresh. And I like was on my way to work. So when I got to work, I was like, oh, these fries are so hot. And I looked at them and they were not even cooked. So I was like, oh, I was so mad. It's not like I can go back because like I said, I was on my way to work, so. Oh, that's gonna be the thumbnail. So yeah, so I was super bummed I couldn't do that video either because you know I love fries. So I was like, today I'm making a video. So how have you guys been? What's been going on? I feel like after this, I should go use my gift certificate at the churro place. I'll just get like a small, because they're tiny. They're like little churros. So I'll get like a 3-pack. Just something small, but I have like a sweet tooth. Well, I always have a sweet tooth. But yeah, oops. Oh, these are, I added salt to these. So much better. I haven't had these in such a long time. The girl wasn't there. She knows me, and I was like, oh, she was there. There's a new guy there. Well, probably not new anymore, but I haven't seen him. So that's how long since I've been. I do know the prices went up for sure because it was like 8 something. I usually it's like 6 something. And look, they even changed their, I noticed they can change their containers too. And it looks like they redid their menu. So you know how it goes when you change things, prices have to go up, and just in general, they went up anyways. So I don't know why I expect it to be the same price. But anyways, you guys, I'm just like happy to making a video. I gotta run some errands. So I'm trying to hurry, sorry. if it feels rushed. I gotta do a pickup at Target, of course, and I'm so bummed because I just want to make sure the braids aren't rubbing in the mic. So I didn't order to Target. I feel like I'm not even looking at the camera the whole time. Did a pickup order at Target, and unfortunately, like 3 things are out of stock. So I ordered it at a different Target, so now I have to go to 2 different Targets, which I may or may not do. Sometimes, like, literally I'll wait a day and the items will be back in stock. So I'm just trying to save gas, right? Rent all these stores when I don't need to. Hope you can see my food. I'm almost done with the beans anyway. But I literally find myself, I'm like, okay, do I need that? What store is that from? Like, I don't want to backtrack, you know? Before you just got in the car and that was it. But now, even I think twice. Like, can I get it from the store down the street, or do I have to drive to the store downtown or across or whatever? So I'm like, if I really don't need these items, I'm gonna wait a couple of days and I'll probably be back in stock at my Target. It's hot. I have no windows open because I just ran back home. So I can start this video. But do you guys have any plans for the weekend? Do anything fun? I will be off for like 6 days, so I'm excited. For my birthday next week. And you know I gotta go around get my goodies, my free goodies. Some places I don't like because they make you use it that same day. So it's like, there's just a lot on your birthday. Even if it's just like going to dinner and like doing something later in the weekend, try to consume all this food and sweets and stuff. It's hard to do in one day. I think the only person that I'm signed up with that does that is Starbucks. I signed up with Crumble Cookie last year, but I don't know if you have to do it on the day, you get a week or whatnot, so we'll see. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. There might be a part 2 if I go get the churros, but sometimes, you know, I get sidetracked, so we will see. Again, I miss you guys. Oh, I'm glad to be making another video. So I guess this is what it's gonna be like for me when I'm not filming as much. I'll like want to keep making videos, so it'll be more exciting. I don't know, like when you don't do something as often, then when you do it, you like get excited. So we'll see. Anyways, you guys, countdown. We're already halfway through the month. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget to, I'm still gonna keep saying it, comment, like, subscribe to my channel. We'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye. Sorry, I'm like really excited.